Good morning. Hello. Hello.
Good morning.
Hello, teacher.
Teacher.
Hello, how are you?
I'm happy and sleepy.
Não chegou ninguém ainda, teacher.
Who is here?
And Ivan, Rebecca, and me.
Not a dot letter. Okay, everybody. Are you using computers or notebooks or cell phones?
Repeat, please.
Are you using computers or cell phone?
Computers.
Computer. Vou deixar, amor. Okay, guys, I have here one link to share with you, okay? Can you hear me?
Repeat, please, teacher.
I have here one link to share.
Okay.
Okay? Go to this link, please.
Now.
Yeah.
Okay. O que esse link é isso? Teacher, o que é esse link?
Okay, click on the link.
Eu já cliquei. Que texto é esse? The Astronomy Project. Eu tenho que
Okay.
ler isso aqui?
Pay attention.
Que fofo. Pronto, já cliquei no link.
Let's work.
Tem que ler?
Yes, I want that you read first, please. You by yourself. Okay. You with you read for you. And after that, we're gonna read together, okay?
Teacher,
What?
quantas partes tem isso?
3 pages.
Eu tô lendo.
Okay, I am reading too.
Já tô terminando.
Later.
Cadê? A gente vai ter que responder essas questões, não vai? Finish.
Finish?
Só vai vir a gente na sala, teacher.
I don't know. Okay, ready, Rebecca, Ivan?
Eu acho que não tá vindo muito episódio, porque hoje é sexta, o último dia da semana. De aula, assim.
Okay, ready, guys?
Ainda não, teacher. Tô quase.
Ivan? Hello, who is here?
Gabriel.
Gabriel.
Ivan.
Hello, Gabriel.
Travou aqui. Aí eu saí. Oi?
E parceiro, tudo bem, Biel?
What?
E aí, parceiro, tudo bem?
E aí?
Okay. Gabriel,
What?
we are reading a text, okay?
Wait.
I am going to send you the link. I'm going to send you the link. Click in the link, please.
Okay.
Teacher, this link is for what?
This what?
This link's for what?
It's for you to read a text. We are going to work in this text.
Okay.
The text is the astronomy project.
Teacher.
Ladle. Let's go. What, Gabriel?
Libra.
Okay, I'd like that you please read this text. You can search for the words that you don't know. But as you can see, this text is for the fifth graders, okay? So it's for you. It's not in your book, but it's important to know.
Teacher, eu tenho que ler de novo?
No, just one time.
Ok.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Ready for why?
Okay. Yes.
Teacher, what do we do in the questions? E copy?
O teacher saiu. Agora
Entrou.
eu.
Okay, so
Teacher, how we should copy the questions?
no. Well, for me
Okay.
today, what is important is not to answer the questions, okay? I'm not interested in you answering the questions, okay? I don't want that. And what I want to do is practice your reading, okay? Because um, I can realize that you are not so, how can I say, it's not so good, but it could be better uh, when reading a text, okay? So I chose this text, as you can see on the top of the paper of the. It's for the fifth graders, exactly like you. So it's not a difficult text. I think it's easy. And what I need to know, what I need to see is you reading this text, okay? I'd like to listen to your voices and your intonation. I'd like to see you reading words that you don't know. And I think this text is not so hard, okay? Did you think this text is difficult or not?
It's easy.
It's easy. Okay.
No, teacher.
It's
It's
not
easy.
difficult, Elisa.
No.
Okay. So
So.
so yeah, there are many words that you know. I think that some word here or there that you don't know. But I think that there are many, the most of the part of the text, I am completely sure that you
I
understood.
have
Okay?
the code for verb to be.
Verb to be. Okay.
Yes.
So, are you ready to start?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
But start what?
So, we are doing that in a sequence, okay? In an order. I have here Ivan, Rebecca, Elisa, Gabriel, and
It's me.
You.
okay, Ivan, Elisa, Gabriel,
E Joe. Rebecca.
And Rebecca. All right, 4 guys and me. So, okay, guys. So the order is this one, all right? So we're gonna use an alphabetical order. Elisa, number 1. Gabriel, number 2. Ivan, number 3. And Rebecca, number 4, all right?
Number 4.
Yes. Why number 4? Because I'm going to ask for you to start reading, Miss Elisa. And when I say stop, please, you stop, and Gabriel, keep on reading, okay?
Teacher, I go start.
Yes. You're going to start.
Now?
Just a minute.
Okay.
Yes. Just to put my cell phone here. Okay. Beautiful. All right. The astronomy project. Okay, Miss Dubashi, you can start.
I. Okay. The astronomy project. Mr. Lindsay.
Okay.
What?
Okay. Just a minute. It's not Mr.
But it's me.
No, it's not Miss.
Mm,
Okay, anyone to help her, please?
Mrs.
Mrs. Okay, Mrs.
oh,
It's not Mrs. Me. It's Mrs. Okay.
Mrs.
Yeah, very good, Mrs. Lindsay.
Mrs. Lindsay was everyone's favorite teacher at Lincoln Elementary School. She was known for her
Her.
her entry and
Entertaining.
entertaining teaching techniques. One day, she walked into the classroom and
Announced.
to the class that they all would all be seeing stars in their futures. She then asked, does anyone know what astronomy is?
Astronomy is okay.
Astronomy is
Okay, thank you, Elisa. Next is Gabriel.
It's me, Mario. Olivia raised her hand and said, I'm a Libra. Can I
Okay.
continue?
Yes, go on. Yes.
Mrs. Lindsay responded, I can understand why would you think that astrological signs are part of astronomy because astrology and astronomy both deal with celestial beings. In fact, many of the constellations in the sky have given their names to astrological signs.
Okay, thank you so much, Mister. Next, please, Ivan.
Okay. Astronomy,
What are you?
astrology.
No. We are in Mrs. Lindsay, then went on.
Okay. Mrs. Lindsay then went on to explain that astrology is the
Belief.
belief then the location and
Location.
location and movement of stars and planets affect the way events
Transpire.
transpire on Earth, which is why horoscopes are based on astrological
Science.
signs. Astronomy, however, is a branch of science that deals with celestial
Bodies. Bodies.
bodies, the universe as a whole, and space. We are going to be learning about astronomy in this unit, and that is why you will be seeing stars in your future.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Ivan. Rebecca.
I love looking at the stars at night, said Olivia. When Mrs. Lindsay asked who else liked looking at stars, everyone in the class raised their hands. She then passed out charts and asked the class to look at the sky that night and record the visible constellations.
Okay, go on. The next day.
Uh, Next day in the class, everyone was super excited to share their observations.
Observation, yes.
I
Okay. Um, I saw Ursa Minor, announced Andrew enthusiastically. So did I, said Olivia. It looks like a ladle, sorry. Um, oh, that's great, responded Mrs. Lindsay. And did you know that Ursa Minor is also called the Little Dipper because it looks like a ladle, sorry. Isn't it there a Big Dipper too? asked Tim. Yes, there is. And it is called Ursa Major, said Mrs. Lindsay. Okay, now we start again with you, Elisa.
Ok. Onde é que tá, teacher?
Mrs. Lindsay then asked
Oh,
the class.
thank you. Mr. Mrs. Lindsay then asked the class if they would like to become part of the galaxy. They are
Galaxy.
galaxy.
No,
Galaxy.
no. Galaxy.
Galaxy. They all agreed that that sounded like a fun idea, but they wondered how it would work. Mrs. Lindsay and explained that she would assign student a constellation and that they would make a poster board illustration of their constellation over the weekend. From there on, she said, it will be a surprise. She passed out one poster board and one glow in the dark marker to each student and wished they all a good weekend.
Okay, very good. Thank you so much. Gabriel.
Okay. We are which one?
What?
We are which one?
When the students got to class,
When oh oh when the students got to class Monday morning, they were brimming with enthusiasm. Mr. Lindsay used a poster board to demonstrate to the students how she wanted them to punch two holes at the top of their poster boards and then wave a piece of string through the holes to form a neckline so they could hang their constellations around their necks and wear them.
okay. Okay, go on, Gabriel.
Sure.
Okay, go, Gabriel. You can keep on reading.
Okay. After their students had completed constructing their wearable constellations, they joined them and waited to see what would happen next.
Okay, very good. Um, Ivan,
Okay.
Mrs.
Mrs.
Lindsay.
Mrs. Lindsay arranged the students around each other in a similar fashion to the way the constellations operate on the constellation chart. Next, she closed the blinks and turned off the lights, and she asked them to circle around the classroom while making individual motions as then as they went. They
They
had
went.
they had now become the constellation dancing in the
Nighttime sky.
nighttime sky.
Nighttime sky. Okay, thank you. Also, we can all see each other glowing and moving around just like the stars do. The students said in unison. All of the students agreed that it was their favorite lesson so far that year. They especially liked the fact that Mrs. Lindsay had recorded their version of the constellation, so they could watch it over again and show it to their parents. Okay. Did you understand the project? What the teacher did?
Ela ensinou que o que é
Ela
astronomia.
o que é astronomia.
Okay, no. Okay, no, but I want to know. I want to know about the experiment. Did you understand? What did they do?
So. Eu só entendi que ela estava tentando explicar o movimento das constelações, alguma coisa assim.
Yeah.
Eu
But
entendi que ela
but
estava
did you
ensinando
understand
as
that they
constelações.
what?
As constelações. Os nomes, essas coisas.
Yes. Okay, correct. But I want to know if you understood the experiment, what they did in fact, in action in the class. Did you understand that or not?
No começo eu pensei que todo mundo se fantasiou de branco e ela desligou a luz e todo mundo começou a se mexer na sala.
Something like that, not exactly like that, but something like that, in this way. Not exactly like that, but in this way. Okay?
Mas depois eu comecei a pensar que, tipo, eles pegaram todas as estrelas do céu e fizeram suas próprias constelações.
Mais ou menos por aí. Ok. É o seguinte.
Eles
É
fizeram as
importante.
constelações dos signos deles?
Hã?
Dos signos.
Dos signos? Não.
É porque os signos também são constelações.
Aqui ela explica no começo que astrological signs are part of astronomy because astrology and astronomy both deal with celestial beings, blah, 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 blah. But no, they didn't work with their horoscopes or their astrological signs. Okay, they were working with astronomy. Okay, the stars, astronomy. So, Mrs. Lindsay then asked the class if they would like to become part of the galaxy. They all agreed that sounded like a fun idea, but they wondered how it would work. Então ela perguntou se eles queriam fazer parte do quê?
Da galáxia.
Eles não entenderam muito bem, mas né, acharam
One
legal.
story of galaxy.
Yes. Mrs. Landison explained that they would assign each student a constellation. Okay? She would assign each student a constellation. And that they would make a poster board illustration over of their constellation over the weekend. Okay, that was their homework, something like that. They should write or draw in a poster how was their constellation over the weekend. Did you understand? It was something like a homework. Yeah, okay. So from there on, she said, it will be a surprise. So she passed out one poster board and one glow-in-the-dark marker to each student and wished them all a good weekend. Então ela deu, né? Ela falou para eles registrarem a constellation over the weekend e ela deu para eles cada one poster and one glow-in-the-dark marker. Glow-in-the-dark marker, it will be this one. Okay, something like that. I don't know.
Marca texto?
Yeah. Or something to shine. A pencil to shine. I don't know. Okay?
Okay.
To shine in the dark. Okay, when the students got to the class on Monday morning, they were brimming with enthusiasm. They were so excited. So Mrs. Lindsay used the poster board to demonstrate to the students how she wanted them to punch through holes at the top of their posters board, okay? I think that this is the poster board. They should punch through holes, okay, here on the top, on their posters. And they wave a piece of string through the holes to form a necklace that they could hang their constellation around their necks, okay, something like that, and to wear them. All right? You can understand now?
Yes.
Okay, so on Monday morning, they have the posters, okay? Everybody has a poster. Yes?
Yes.
So, what did she ask them to do?
Ficar em lugar da sala?
No, they had to punch, okay? Furar two holes, dois buraquinhos aqui on the top of their posters. And pegaram a piece of string, pedaço de corda, de cordão.
Barbante.
Yes. And to form a necklace, okay, that they could hang their constellation around their necks and wear them. All right. So after the students had completed constructing their wearable constellation, they donned them and waited to see what would happen next. O que aconteceria depois? So, I want water. So Mrs. Lindsay arranged the students around each other in a similar fashion to the way the constellations appeared on the constellation chart. Next, she closed the blinds, fechou as cortinas, ficou tudo na escuridão, and she turned off the lights. So she asked them to circle around the classroom while making the video motions as they went. So they had now become the constellation dancing in the nighttime sky. Did you understand?
Yes.
Okay, it was shining. They were shining. Okay, the classroom was completely in the dark, and they had to move around, circle around the classroom like they were uh, constellation, dancing constellations. So, also, we can all see each other glowing. What is glowing? Shining, okay? Shining. And moving around just like the stars do. The student said in unison. Então todo mundo ficou impressionado com o quê? O que aconteceu? Eles estavam se vendo, estavam brilhando, glowing, shining, and moving around, como as estrelas fazem. Ok? That
Okay.
was the experiment. That was the experiment. Okay, now, so now did you understand?
Yes.
All right, very good. So now, I'd like that you read one more time, but I'd like that you read trying to explain, to tell this story to someone else. Okay? Not
Okay.
reading like just to read. Try to read in a natural way, using your voice in a natural way, explaining what are you reading. Can you do that?
Yes.
Yes, of course you do. Of course you can. All right, let's start with now with Rebecca. Is Rebecca here? Yes.
Teacher, qual que é para eu ler?
Okay, you're gonna read the text again.
Again? Okay. Mrs. Lindsay was everyone's favorite teacher at Lincoln Elementary School. She was known for her entertaining teaching techniques. One day she walked into the classroom and
Announce it. Announce it.
announced to the class that they would all be seeing stars in their futures. She then asked, "Does anyone know what astronomy is?"
Okay, thank you so much. So, does anyone know what astronomy is? Okay, that's a question. That's a question. Olivia raised her hand and said, I'm a Libra. So, she was thinking about her horoscope things or something like that. So, Mrs. Lindsay responded, Oh, I can understand why you would think that astrological signs as part of astronomy because astrology and astronomy both deal with celestial beings. In fact, many of the constellations in the sky have their giving their names to astrological signs. Okay, now, Ivan,
Okay. Astronaut.
Mrs.
Miss
Lindsay.
Mrs. Lindsay then went on to explain that astrology is the belief that the location and movement of stars and planets affect the way events transpire on Earth, which is why horoscopes are based on astrological signs. Astronomy, however, is a branch of science that deals with celestial bodies, the universe as whole, and space, where we are going to be learning about astronomy in this unit. And that is why you will be seeing stars in your future.
Okay, thank you. In your future. Okay, I love looking at the stars at night, said Olivia. Um, very good. Now, Gabriel, please.
Okay.
When Mrs. Lindsay asked it,
Just a minute. When Mrs. Lindsay asked who else liked looking at stars, everyone in the class raised their hands. She then passed out star charts and everyone asked the class to look at the sky that night and record the visible constellations.
the next day in class, everyone was super excited to share their observations. Oh, I saw it. Ursa Minor, announced Andrew enthusiastically. So did I, said Olivia. It looks like a dot-to-dot ladle. Oh, that's great, responded Mrs. Lindsay. And did you know that Ursa Minor is also called the Little Dipper because it looks like a ladle? Isn't it there a Big Dipper too? Asked Tim. Yes, there is, and it is called the Ursa Major, said Mrs. Lindsay. Okay, so now I'd like. We don't have more time, guys. I'd like for you. Let me see, Gabriel. I want that you ask a question to Rebecca, please, about this text.
Sure.
Yeah.
What does donuts means?
What does what?
Donut. D-O-N-N-E-D.
Quê? Fala a frase de novo, Gabriel.
It's better chance, isn't it?
What?
What is just wait. Oh, what is Olivia's astrological sign?
Was Olivia astrologic sign?
Yes.
Is Libra.
You are correct.
Okay, she's a Libra. Okay, all right. Very good. Thank you. Now, Rebecca, you ask one question to Elisa, please.
Ok. Só deixa eu ver aqui.
Okay, you can use just page number 1, ok? Faz perguntas aqui só da página 1. Pode ser só da página 1, para não complicar muito.
Já. Deixa eu ver.
Right.
What is the name? No, calma aí. What is the name of... Não sei como que eu falo. What is the Olivia's school name? Eu não sei.
What is?
What?
Okay, it's correct. What is?
Olivia's school name.
Lincoln Elementary School.
Elementary school.
Elementary school.
Elementary school. Okay, Lincoln Elementary School. That's correct or not, Rebecca?
Yes.
It's correct?
Yes. It's
Okay. Very good. Elisa, ask a question to Ivan, please.
Okay.
Thank Elisa?
What the constellation Andre see?
What is
Constellation Andre say?
See, no say.
Andre
Yes,
saw. Andre saw.
Ah,
no.
saw.
Andrew. Andrew saw.
Andrew saw.
Ok. What is the constellation? In fact, Elisa, na realidade, Elisa, você vai fazer a pergunta usando o passado, né? Porque ele diz aqui, eu vi a ursa menor, né?
Teacher, você
Ursa menor.
gosta.
Isso. Então, você tem que perguntar assim, qual constelação que ele viu? Então, você vai perguntar, what constellation
He
did he see? E aí você volta o verbo pro infinitivo.
Ah, tá. Mas agora não tem mais pergunta, porque você já deu a resposta.
Ok. Não, mas ele sabia que era essa, né? Ok, como que fica a pergunta, então? What
Constellation did he see?
Yes. Or did Andrew see? Okay.
Okay.
Okay, you can answer, Mr. Ivan.
Andrew see Ursa
Andrew
menor.
saw
Andrew saw Ursa menor.
Ursa minor.
Minor. Yes.
Okay, very correct.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Ivan, now you ask to Mr. Gabriel.
Okay.
One question.
Okay, let's um what is astronomy?
What?
What is sorry. What Olivia said?
Okay.
What Olivia said where? When?
No. What Olivia said she liked to do.
What Olivia
said she liked to do.
Okay. Okay, let's reorder the question, okay, Ivan? What would
I know.
What would Olivia
said like to do or like
what
to
would
do?
Olivia like to do?
Okay.
What would
Olivia
Olivia
love looking at the stars at night.
like to do?
You are correct.
She would.
She would.
Hey, everybody, let's make a question for the teacher.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, let me think one.
You have 2 minutes.
Como teacher?
I know
English.
one.
In
I know
English.
one. I know one. I
You
have a
know
question.
one? Okay. You have 2
What
minutes.
what Mrs. Lindsay said that astrology is? What
Mrs. Lindsay said astrology is?
Yes. What is astrology first?
What is astrology? Yeah, good question. I know where is this answer. Let me check. Astrology is Astrology is the belief that the location and movement of stars and planets affect the way events transpire on Earth. That's astrology. Okay?
You are correct.
Yes. And she said about astronomy too. She said, astronomy is a branch of science that deals with celestial bodies, the universe as a whole, and space. All right?
All right.
Okay, guys.
All
Thank you
right.
so much. Have a nice weekend. See you all here on Monday.
Já passou 2 minutos?
Bye, teacher.
Bye. Thank you so much.
Ai, teacher.
Stay home.
Quem vai querer
Teacher.
Bye, teacher.
jogar?
Bye.
Quem vai querer jogar? Você vai querer jogar, Ivan?
Bye, teacher.
Bye.
Ivan, fala comigo. Vai querer jogar ou não?
O quê?
Meninas, eu vou ter que remover vocês aqui porque eu vou ter que sair da sala, tá? Senão eu não consigo sair da sala.
Tá.
Bye,
Parar de
teacher.
gravar.
Bye.
Bye.
Não.